We would like to demonstrate the best scanning technique for the CEREC Omnicam. You start in the occlusal view in order to scan the premolars and the molars. Move the camera in a fluid motion across the teeth. The camera does not rest on the teeth or gingiva during this procedure. Rotate the camera from occlusal to buccal and from buccal to lingual. Begin scanning the anterior area by starting with the premolar. Guide the camera in mesial direction labially over the anterior teeth up to the first position of the neighboring quadrant and from there back to the premolar. Pass the camera incisally over the front teeth in the mesial direction by moving the camera with a slight tipping movement over the incisal edge from labial to lingual. When doing so, emphasize the lingual scanning movement in order to fully acquire the lingual area of the front teeth. Once you have reached the premolar area, turn the camera with its tip to the distal direction of the molar region. Now guide the camera labially in the mesial direction and back again in order to complete the labial acquisition of the front teeth. For scanning the premolar and molar regions, now again guide the camera in occlusal, buccal and lingual view. Here you see the simulation of scanning a prepared tooth. In this case, acquire the approximal surfaces in the distal and mesial direction by using a wave motion in the occlusal, palatinal and buccal direction over the prepared tooth. Make sure that you acquire data from both sides of the preparation margin. Tilt the surface in the distal and mesial direction to gain a better view of the approximal contacts. Just as described for the lower jaw on the model, please now carry out the scanning for the upper jaw. Use the demonstration of the intraoral scanning of the upper jaw to expand your knowledge about the scanning technique. For the buccal registration of the lower and upper jaws, carry out a scan of the buccal bite registration.